Hey Japan fans, it's John Sensei from the Consulate, and I'm here with...
My name's Tye. I'm the JET program coordinator here at the Consulate.
And today we are going to try Poppin Cookin, which is a do-it-yourself candy kit, popular in Japan. Great activity for kids. And we have no idea what we're doing, right, Tye?
I, in fact, didn't even know we were doing this until about 10 minutes ago.
So this should be fun to see what to prove if a couple amateurs can do this or not. So let's get started. Let's look at our kits.
And I will point out it's in English, which is...
Yeah, and we bought this at a local store in Nashville, and I understand you can also order them online. There's a lot of those like snack kits from Japan type services. So somewhere out there you should be able to get these. A fun activity for the whole family. Okay.
Can we go ahead and open it, or
Let's
I guess
open.
you'd like to read the instructions before opening?
Nope. Oh, this is kawaii. Poppin Cookin.
Always.
You have to love like Japanese packaging, like the packaging within the packaging.
Oh, are we going to compare after the fact? So we've got the exact same kit, and we'll
have a competition.
Who will decide the winner? Will the viewers vote on it?
The viewers can decide the winner. Okay, so I've opened my kit. Got a bunch of little packets.
I'm starting to feel overwhelmed. There's a lot more packets than I expected.
Can we have scissors?
Okay, that's the broccoli. Right here. There's little shapes in this tin plastic thing. Not tin, obviously. It's made out of plastic.
Take the scissors, cut off the triangle.
Yeah, it doesn't mention, I think, needing scissors, but make sure you have scissors.
Add a triangle cup of water to section 1. So the sections are numbered on the tray. Got my triangle of water to section 1.
It's not the best pouring device, this triangle.
Add the powder from the green packet. Ooh,
Kind of bluer than I was expecting.
it just kind of gelled up. It'll be
Smells good.
for
Smells like
3
candy.
minutes. Do we need to stir it or anything?
It does say mix, which I assume means stir. You're moving on. Okay. Make an egg rolls.
It's not a race, except that it is. Add a full, so just one, the same amount.
Okay. That's been added. Powder from the yellow packet. What do you think happens if we mix up the colors?
You get a green egg roll. Add a full triangle cup of water to section 3. Oh, I'm spilling water everywhere, so I think I failed already.
Okay. So put a scoop in, and then
Make onigiri, the rice ball. Add 2 full triangle cups of water to section 4.
yours looks better than mine. Maybe I overfilled. What are that?
Sensei Tye's looking at my test.
I'm looking and seeing that it looks better than mine. Here I thought I was going to win.
Add the powder from the blue packet.
Mix it until thick.
Getting
Divide rice in half. So they're calling this rice. Okay. Form rice ball. What? Okay.
divide rice in half. Doyuimi. What does that mean?
I think we're just separating it. Like you get half the rice. They're calling it rice already. But you get
Okay.
half of the.
Like we've made
White
rice
product.
in a rice cooker in a suihanki.
I'll tell you what's kind of cool. It does kind of have a rice-ish texture. Like minuscule. It feels like I'm a giant looking at rice. Now here's the question I have. Do you think we're doing it with our hands?
Add powder from the black packet into the hollow spaces of panda face and the small square. Okay,
Yeah,
I get
so
that.
I think you're gonna fill this with black and then shove the rice in, maybe.
Okay, so we must use our hands. I'm just gonna.
Yeah.
This is interesting. This
Do
feels
we actually
weird.
have to touch it?
I don't know. I'm touching it. I'm touching it, John. I've moved on to touching it.
There's a little triangle outline for the onigiri. I'm going to add black powder into this rectangular indent, and that's like my seaweed, my nori.
Oh, we got to make fried chicken later?
Not
Huh.
have to. We get to. We get to make fried chicken later.
I poured it into my mouth to see if it was going to form like a gelatin ball.
I've already kind of made a mess, which we knew was going to happen. Oh, look there. Gorgeous. A little bit of red.
We'll do the panda face rice ball. Mush it in good.
There. Got my onigiri.
There he goes. He's got a face. Woo! I'm a panda.
I also get the ooze.
What are you doing right now?
Huh? I'm trying to make the panda face.
Oh, are we supposed to make panda ears?
Yeah, that's the hard part.
Oh no, I don't have enough. I don't have enough mush for it. Yeah, you can.
There's my panda.
I'm not sure where we're supposed to start
Yeah,
making
look
this
at
fried
that.
chicken. What are we making the
Add a
fried
full
chicken?
Triangle cup of water to section 4.
Section 4 again. It keeps getting used. So here's my question, John.
Yeah.
It says that we mix this fried chicken until thick, and then we divide it in half. It does not say to take it out of packet 4, but then it has us pouring the next packet of what they're calling spaghetti into this tray, into section 4.
What's the front of the box look like? Nope, the fried chicken and the spaghetti areas.
It looks so gross. Doesn't look like fried chicken. Maybe a meatball.
Karaage, the most wonderful konbini food there is. Oh, I'm even in more trouble because I added the spaghetti when I was trying to do the fried chicken. Okay, so we're just going to let's see.
Okay, I'm going to now move on past. I'm going to catch up with you with the spaghetti.
We'll
So-
switch steps. I'll make the spaghetti first, then the fried
Ooh, it
chicken.
tastes orange. The chicken.
Oh, your fried chicken looks pretty good, actually.
Yeah. So I've been like licking my fingers and stuff during this, so I'm not sharing this with anybody.
Yeah.
Right?
It says at the end to put it in the,
Bento box.
what's the bento box? Just this thing?
Just this box.
Here you go.
Oh, I ripped it
What?
up.
But there's not a bento box. We don't have such a thing. Are we supposed to have our own bento box, John? Have we?
I think this is the bento box.
You just set it on the plastic,
On the
the piece of
plastic.
garbage? Okay, whatever. What am I supposed to be making right now? Spaghetti?
Yeah. It's like you put it in this bag.
Oh, no, I splashed spaghetti on my rocket ship.
And it says to squeeze it out of the bag like spaghetti. Twist the top. Okay. Cut off a corner as shown. Oh, yeah, koshi. It's too complicated. And we'll take another chance and get creative.
Mixing it all together. Oh, now I guess I'm gonna. Let's see. This is meant to be a bento box. I'm just gonna cut it out to be better, more presentable.
That looks like spaghetti, right? Big old pile of spaghetti. Right there. Yep. That's my spaghetti.
I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling my bento box right here because I've got to use my staging bag as a want meatballs right there.
Oh yeah, there's my karaage.
Okay. Wait, what is that? What's that?
Spaghetti?
I don't think that can count as spaghetti, John.
If you use your imagination, the imagination of a child, it looks like spaghetti.
So I'm now doing that step that John was doing. I'm putting all this peach stuff that's supposed to be spaghetti.
There's my egg roll. That one didn't look too bad. Roll out the egg, remove the firm jellies from the
Squish
tray.
this on down.
Oh,
A
no,
little
oh, look at that.
snip.
My little taco sausage.
I'm just going to see if I can get spaghetti that
Yep.
looks like spaghetti.
And my broccoli.
Now, John, I'll have you look at this. Look at my piping. My wife's a
Yeah.
baker, so I can.
You actually did it the way you're supposed to.
How did you do it?
I just squeezed it out of the bag. I didn't bother cutting the bag.
Oh.
Booyah. The panda's ears are falling off.
Yeah, the panda ears don't like to stay on there. Okay, now I just got to get these other items.
Deki agarimashita.
I think you're gonna have me beat on this broccoli. No, stay out of the black. Bloop.
Okay.
Here we go.
And as we know about Japanese food, it's all about presentation.
It is.
Yeah.
I will say that your chicken looks more like chicken.
Okay.
I will say that. I think that my panda looks more like a panda.
Mm-hmm.
My spaghetti, like, nobody would know what that
Yeah.
is. I'm not sure that anybody would know what either of our broccoli or red rocket ships are.
Mm-hmm. So should we put it to a vote?
I reckon so.
In the comments, let us know which one you think is better. We have a bit of a studio audience. Maybe we should get their vote too.
Put them on the spot.
Yeah.
So just, it's not on camera, but one of our coworkers, the only Japanese coworker in the room, let me also specify, is pointing to mine.
Yeah. Okay. So that's one.
That's one.
That's one for Tye.
One for me.
That's two.
Okay.
Neat. Nola-san. Wait, it's up.
So, going by skill, I think, but I have to say I laughed harder at John's spaghetti.
Uh-huh.
Remember, guys, let us know which one you think is better. And shall we taste these?
Yeah, let's try it.
What should we start
All
with?
this work.
Should we start with let's start with the
Um,
green thing.
The broccoli. Oh, look at me with the fork, and I'm just using my hands.
So mine had a firm center and a very slimy outside.
Okay, yeah.
Would you describe the texture kind of like that? What are you moving on to now? The egg?
The sausage.
The sausage. Okay. I'm assuming this is going to be similar. But not.
A different flavor.
Different flavor, and the center wasn't all slimy.
Yeah.
Or wasn't all firm on this occasion.
All right, the egg.
The egg.
What would you taste like yellow? The box says it's lemon flavor.
I guess it kind of could be lemon.
Yeah.
What was the red one that we just had?
Red flavor.
That was what it was called.
It's on the front. The red is strawberry,
Strawberry.
Ichigo.
Okay.
The green was
sense.
green grape. The yellow was lemon.
What are we going to go for now?
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Orange flavor.
Which I believe that you have me beat on the fried chicken. That looks more like fried chicken than mine looks like a meatball. But I
Well,
made mine
it's
look like
karaage, yeah.
Mine I made look like the little meatball in the picture. So that's that. Entirely different texture.
Almost a texture like fried chicken. My clump of spaghetti is next for me.
Well, no, it doesn't.
Purple
Excellent.
grape. That's a different texture too.
Mm-hmm. It is.
Can you twirl yours around the fork since it looks like real spaghetti?
It just turns into mashed potatoes.
Mm.
Okay.
Onigiri.
Onigiri.
Mine has red on it because it has like umeboshi.
Here you go.
Something in it, yeah. Plum. That's what umeboshi is. Dried plum.
What is the flavor? Oh, it is supposed to taste like that drink.
Oh, ramune. Okay.
I wonder if this is going to give us a tummy ache.
Maybe. Gochiso sama desu.
So remember to vote, guys.
Yep.
Well, I can't see. Remember.
Vote in the comments for your favorite.